My camera fell on my snowblower video and I pick up the camera and see a chip in the lens. Well, on my last video, as you saw, this case was broken, so I took this out of the case. Used it for the first time out of the case, and sure enough, dropped over, tipped over, and scratched the lens. So I am going to see if I can repair that. I've watched several videos on it. I bought a new lens, and let's see if we can do this. I know people make things on YouTube look a lot simpler than what they are in real life, and I'm hoping this isn't one of those things. I'm using this little plastic pry tool to find those three little tabs and pull the bezel away. There we go, the little black thing there is off. And there's this little washer. I want to make sure I get that where it goes, and I see how it goes. There's little tabs on it, and so I see how that is. So we'll take that off. I'll set that down there. Okay, and the next thing is to get this off. Now, guys were using pliers with tape on it. I got these pliers. I'm going to see if this will at least do it. It's got some soft things on it. Let's see if that works. No, that ain't going to work. We'll get a pair of pliers. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing off of there. Oops. Guess there was this thing had to come off first. And now. And once again, I take up these taped up pliers and I just want to break the glue because this thing is glued in. There it goes. Guess that lens kind of popped off. By the way, this is not my primary camera. I just use this now and then, but I hate losing a camera over just a little bitty mess up like that. And here's the new one. I think it was like $8 plus some shipping, so it wasn't that much. So let's see if we can get that in there. Okay, I don't want to screw it down too tight because it's gotta do a focus on it now. So let's go see if we can do that. Yeah, guys, that's real blurry. So now I'm going to try to get it into focus. Okay, that's in focus. Now let's see about stuff around here. Okay. That looks pretty good. Now, honestly, I'm real disappointed because this isn't even close on the colors. Alright, a couple of weeks later, and this shows up. A couple of tools and a new lens. Came over from China. It's supposed to be an open box. So this is supposed to be a new lens, but just opened and returned. Let's see what we have here. Just crack that baby open. Okay, so now, okay, good. I was worried about this screwing off, and it's screwing off. Fantastic. now we'll unscrew this one. Which the problem is, this one's just red on everything. And hopefully this new one will look right. Okay, so there's that. You know what, I'm going to leave that on there for now. Oh dear. Oh dear, that bottom's out. Oh no, there it goes. Okay. Now let's get this baby turned on and see if it work right. Redo. There we go. I'll be honest guys, it looks like the colors are better already. Just seeing the blurry colors. Okay, let's go set this thing up on the big TV and get her dialed in. Now this is the GoPro pointed at something and me with the camera on the TV. All right. Yes guys, that's the year 2000. I'm living in the past. But Michigan State won, so what can I say? I do believe that's going to do it, guys. I think that's got it, so just got to play around a little bit with the... Actually, I think the focus is kind of pretty good on there. Okay, so that's got it. Alright, we'll put this back on. And guys, please don't be like my oldest son. Dad, what are you doing with that old camera? Go buy a better one. I like the one I got. And guys, I've seen people put tape down on the lens to hold it, but this lens is kept in a case, and there's not going to be any torque on it, so I don't see any reason to put any tape on this one. And there she is, good as new. And I'm going to keep it in the case this time. See? I told you. Thanks for watching, guys.